So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I want to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HKey users. Now you're going to expand default. Now we're going to expand software. Now you're going to expand Microsoft. Now we're going to expand Windows. We're going to scroll down and expand Windows. Now we're going to expand current version. Now you're going to expand Bluetooth. I want to make this bigger. Now we're going to expand exception. Now we're going to expand ADDRS. And now once you expand ADDRS, you're going to begin some folders right here. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you've expanded ADDRS, you're going to have some folders right here. You want to delete all of them. You may have one folder, you may have two folders, or you may have more. I've only got two. And the numbers may look different for you, but you just want to delete all these folders. So you're going to right click, and then click on delete. And then click on yes. I've got another one, I'm going to delete this as well. And then click on yes. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.